Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not correct. I keep on telling you that you don't know the things said people. Bless up on yourself on that Wednesday, yeah, but you know my style already. One bag of one and one. And I gotta give you these daily updates that's on the see. The headline and all of these things and things. Boy, people. What a bagger, you see me, boy. Shenseea, boy. She's fed up, man, with these crusty little clowns that's over here defending Spice and trying to bring her down with all type of talkings. You see me, I see me people, and we're gonna call out them upon them hypocrisy. But first, let us listen to what this man has to say because from a long time we have seen him in all the headlines and him a deny say him a Kevin No Smith, but he sure as hell moving like, you know.
Soon come, people, soon come. Alright?
Yes, people, you know how long way I see that brother there in all the news and come to find out say he's related to Chris Gale. You see me, I say, and a lot of people been mistaking him for Kevin O. Smith. In a scene, boy, oh boy, oh boy. But it's being reported that a whole heap of people is looking for him because it's like, say, him run a car business and him a sell vehicle and people them are give him money and him not, you know, fulfill him end of the bargain, you know, so him just make a lot of video clip as on the scene. I say him I leave the country and all of this stuff. Boy, what a controversy. Okay, people, Shenseea is fed up. Yes, she had enough with Spice fan base for being disrespectful and downplaying her achievements. You see me, I say, and we're talking about the dusty, rusty crusties them that live upon the girl name. I repeat, not the besties, but the dusty, rusty, crusty, the clones them are the ones intimidated by Shenseea for whatever reason. I don't know. And it's making Spice look really bad out here. Yes, one rotten apple spoils the whole punch. And this is all because of Skilly Bang and her song, Rain Dropped. You know, they dropped a musical video the other day. And as usual, them bring up Spice's name. Oh, the music video with Spice and Skilly Bang did better and blah, 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 blah. And like, this is getting all ridiculous now. You feel me? Also, the performance she did the other day when she got equal rights with a little side of Batty Wash. Yes, aka Brata. You see me, I say, then bring up, oh, this is colorism. If Spice did this, she would be dragged. You know what I mean? And I talk about, oh, kids is gonna be watching. It's like, yo, you people are weird. Like, Spice and Shenseea is doing the same thing on stage. When Spice have her bag of dancers doing these try-sex. Yes, because that's how me used to sex, girl. When me was a little pitney. With clothes on and all of these things. Under the sheet. It's same nastiness that I promote. You know what I mean? Like, yo, y'all people are weird. You know what I mean? In reality, both girls is getting a fight for what they're doing in dancehall at this current time. You know what I mean? Because Spice has been very friendly with the aquarium community, and if she's the queen of dancehall and Cartel is the king of dancehall, we are waiting upon Cartel to become extra friendly with the aquarium community too. You know what I mean? So I don't know what kind of order when say Spice a hold up, and she not follow the order when I try hold up. You know what I mean? Okay, people, before my big continue, because there's a whole lot I gotta say on this situation. I make these people know them damn self, you know. Shenseea said this generation will call you cocky for celebrating your achievements because of their own personal insecurities. You know what I mean? And we're gonna get back to that word, insecurities. But I had to go on Twitter and say, who the hell is bothering Shenseea, you know? So I'm gonna go up on her Twitter and, you know, she said that disrespect is out of this world. You feel me? I mean, only know one set of people that disrespect Shenseea. You know what I mean? And the dusty, rusty crusties them, you feel me? So I just screenshot a little, you know. This Spice fan said, I get what Spice was saying now. We all know about colorism in the music, but look at Shenseea. She got the look, she's talented, but they hyped her up, so, you know. And the Shenyang page them say, you just said she's a flop, so why your head still a hurt you? You know something, do that fan base, yeah. Whether bomber cloud, you not leave me artist name out of your stinking rotten teeth. And me make your artist career upon standby. All when the woman left dance, I'll give Uno a problem. Because these people talking about Spice deserve her flowers. People, Spice been get her flowers like 10 years ago when she was crowned queen of dancehall. What more flowers Spice need her ass clot, you see me? And the Shenyang people them respond to say Spice a fifth woman in the late 30s and 40s Shenseea for the younger. Nobody no want hear skin out and them thing there. I don't know about that part there, but I do know for sure they better stop this colorism talk because it's like them blinded about the colorism surrounded by Spice. You know what I mean? If we're gonna talk colorism in dancehall, we often mention Shaggy and Sean Paul. You know what I mean? But leave that for a different topic, you see me I say. Or if any of the dusty, rusty, crusty them would like to address the colorism that surrounded Spice with Shaggy and Sean Paul, cause you know what I mean, are the biggest colorism thing that go on the dancehall with them two there. You know scene so. These weirdos is just making Spice look bad, babe. Me not gonna lie to one. You see me I say. Colorism had nothing to do with Shenseea busting, because nobody wasn't checking for the browning when she did Jiggle Jiggle. It's when Vibes Cartel do the Ludi, she went on the map, and the rest was history after that. So y'all need to stop. It's not a good look on Spice. Now you see me I say, it makes it look like say Spice is threatening by Shenseea's presence. You see me? You know what I mean? Boy. People putting out a comment section what they think about me just say because them I say this colorism thing, but them not talk about Shaggy and Sean Paul. You know what I mean? They're like, come on, we gotta keep it, if we're gonna be real, we gotta keep it 100. Shenseea and Spice is not doing anything differently. You know what I mean? Because the two of them are bring down dancehall if you want to be truth. It's, you know, it's like ridiculous. You feel me? And all of this billboard talk, like, honestly, I don't care about the billboards or anything, you know. Over the streets, I say about no music, you know. But Shenseea being on the American billboard versus the reggae billboard is two different things. You see me? I say, you know what, people, I'm done with that topic, yeah, you know, man. I'll proceed to the next one, you see me? Can't bother with the radio business, but me just still have to address them things they call, you know, my DM full up of stuff and stuff. Even though I think I did this review already, but you know what I mean, it is what it is. Okay, people, just want to give you a quick update on that DOVEY situation, yeah. You see me, I say, because, whoa, it's a lot of cheddar being handed out for free. You know what I mean? And you know, yesterday we dropped the story that, you know, she supposedly ran off with homegirls $2,500 US by not promoting her wigs and clothes. And you know, I forgot to include these receipts yesterday and footages of the wigs and things that she got from the lady. You know what I mean? Boy, I don't know what's going on with these celebrities, you know, but it's best they be 100 with them fans and say them not have it like that, and they would need their help to be able to get it like that, you feel me? But yeah, I'm not gonna stay long on this. I'm in correspondence with the lady still, so maybe I'll do an Instagram live with her and she can fully talk the whole story. So you don't know the things that people like and share from now, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified to if me drop a video. But as you can see, the Zelle receipts, you see me, I say, boy, 2 years and not a promotion and not a thing ratted. Jah know people. Where I say I told you, boy, I mean, even know what to say ratted, you know. I mean, but anyway, let's proceed. Because she said, don't even have toilet paper, or yard, or water, or food in the fridge. You know what I mean? Jah know. Anyway, people, let's go. No, as usual, before we end the live, you know, so we have to talk about some serious situation while going on the island. I see a news article that go run at the place saying that the 83-year-old woman was believed to be mauled to death by dogs. You see me, I say, you know, the mongrel them and the mixed breed them and pitbull them loose in the streets. You see me, I say, sad situation, but I see a lot of people trying to victim shame the lady for being out in the night and things. People, It's a big woman this. If she feel like she want the other road for any type of reason, she can go. You know what I mean? Listen, me I said, so I don't know why people is victim shaming this lady, but you know, when I really have to start deal with them dog there, you know, because me not lie to you. Them dog they travel in packs of 30 and all them thing them. And you know, Jamaica coming like Africa wild and ass class, you see me I say. So, you know, and I have to deal with them stray dog there, you see. But just giving them update while go on from one to go on. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.